Hello friends! Let's learn the alphabet letters from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go! The first letter is A for airplane and apple. This is the big letter A. It goes right here. And this is the small letter A. Great job! And the next letter is the letter B for butterfly and ball. This is the big letter B and the small letter B. And we have the letter C for carrot and crayon. This is the big letter C and the small letter C. Next is the letter D for dog and duck. This is the big letter D and the small letter D. Next is elephant and egg. What letter does the elephant and egg starts with? That's right, letter E. This is the big letter E and the small letter E. Great job. Next we have F for frog and fish. This is the big letter F and the small letter F. Next we have, I think this is grapes, and this one is grass. What letter do they start with? That's right, it's the letter G. This is the big letter G and the small letter G. Next is the letter H for hat and heart. Where's the letter H? This is the big letter H and the small letter H. Hooray! Now we're at the letter I for ice cream and ice. This is the big letter I and the small letter I. Next we have jet and jellies, and they start with the letter J. This is the big letter J and the small letter J. And we have the letter K for keys and kite. This is the big letter K and the small letter K. The next letter is L for ladybug and ladder. This is the big letter L and the small letter L. And look at these, two mice and mittens. And they start with the letter M. This is the big letter M and the small letter M. Great job! Next we have the letter N for nest and nuts. This is the big letter N and the small letter N. And we have the letter O for octopus and owl. Big letter O and small letter O. And we have, do you know what this is? It's pencil and panda, cute panda. What letter do they start with? That's right, it's the letter P, the big letter P and the small letter P. The next letter is letter Q for, I think this is a quail, and quilt. This is the big letter Q, and this is the small letter Q. Hooray! Now we're at the letter R for rabbit and rope. This is the big letter R and small letter R. Next is the letter S for shoes and snake. Oops. Big letter S, small letter S. Then we have the letter T for train and tree. This is the big letter T and the small letter T. Look, what is this? It's a unicorn and umbrella. And they start with the letter U. Big letter U and small letter U. Next letter is letter V for violin and bass. Here's the big letter V and the small letter V. W is for wagon and watch, wristwatch. And this is the big W and the small W. Next letter is the letter X for xylophone and X-ray. Big letter X and small letter X. Okay, the next one is for yo-yo and yarn. And I start with the letter Y. Y, big letter and small letter. Now we're at the last letter. Letter Z for zebra and zipper. Big letter Z and small letter Z. Great job. Now let's sing the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hooray! See you next time.